You're asking, how do I get paid $20 for every answer? In this video, I'll share with you just the fastest growing platform on the market to get paid $20 and more per answer. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. JustAskme is a revolutionary service that allows you to get paid $20 per answer you give. This is the perfect opportunity to make some extra money while getting your opinion out there and earning a decent hourly wage. JustAskme is a platform that connects fans with their favorite artist, creator, influencer, friend, representative, or just their crush. JustAskme gives you the opportunity to earn every time you answer a question, and by giving services to your followers or other users. You may profit by offering followers various services. You may send a video message, answer questions, provide advice, and exchange photographs. You may provide unlimited services. You might require a $5 minimum payment for each service. 7 days to finish your service. If you miss the deadline, you won't get compensated. Your opportunity to raise funds and monetize your experience. With 4 easy steps to set up your profile. Create a questions page. Set up a payment method. Share the link with the audience. Answer questions and create income. The dashboard lets you view and manage all the payments, features, and questions received. By accessing the dashboard, you can edit your account settings and profile, view your payment history, view questions received, and view your profits. You'll need a Stripe account in order to cash out your profits. Once you have a Stripe account, you may link it to your JustAskme profile. After that, you won't have to wait until you've accrued a certain amount of money before you can cash out your profits. You may get your money whenever you want. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.